Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload folders to Google Photos. You have to start by open your browser and then write Google Photos. Click on the first link. And firstly, make sure that you use your correct account. You can add your account or you can swipe to another one. Then go to the albums at the left side and let's create the album. Let's call it album to transfer. Then click at photos. Okay, we don't need to. When you click add photos, you need to select from computer at the right top. And right here I already have this folder. Let me show it to you. So right here we have photos, what I wanna upload, and open this folder. Then click Ctrl A. And you select all of them. You can select them manually by just press and hold left mouse key and then scroll down. And then click open. Then we need to wait a bit. Done. And now we have all these photos in the album. And you can find them also in the photos feed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.